Hello, everyone, and welcome to Brookdale Newsmakers. I'm Bill Burns. I'm here today with my guest from the math department at Brookdale Community College, Samantha Dalawira. So, Samantha, tell me a little bit about what makes math at Brookdale special.
Okay, first I want to thank for having me here, and thank you, Dr. Burns. Math at Brookdale is special because we have very committed and very passionate faculty, and we do everything to make this experience exciting for our students. You know, there are a lot of myths about math, like math is a very boring subject, it's all about numbers, but math is a subject of growth. It's like a open landscape. People can explore, we can make connections and find relationships. So we want our students to know that we can open a lot of doors to a lot of opportunities. Math can unlock doors to a lot of opportunities. I want our students to come and figure it out and what we have offer them in our math department.
You know, as you said, a lot of students come, they're nervous, they're hesitant.
Yes.
For a student coming to Brookdale who is nervous and maybe they haven't taken a math class in a couple of years, what kind of support does the math department
We have a
offer?
lot of support available for our students. Especially if we talk about math anxiety, we offer even stress reduction workshops for our students to overcome that math anxiety. We educate them about the growth mindset. Anybody can learn math. Our brain can grow. It's more elastic than we think. So we educate about them. And also we have Math Lab to help them, give them additional support. We have excellent tutors there, and we have a computer lab next to our Math Lab. So when students go there, they get a support from their tutors. And if they don't have access to computers at home, they can use the computer lab. And they can walk in, or they can make appointments. Or even if they want to work from home, they can book a tutor online and get help. So that kind of help we provide. And also our department conduct additional workshops to support them. For example, just before final exams, we have a day called Super Saturday. So all our faculty volunteer to offer workshops to support students with their final exam preparation. So that kind of support we provide.
Yeah, that's terrific. I know the Math Lab is always a busy place. And you
Yes.
mentioned the faculty who are really wonderful, and they come to Brookdale from a variety of different
Yes,
experiences.
yes.
Let's talk a little bit about their role.
Yes, I can tell about myself. I was a film major once, so I became a math major, and I became I'm very excited about what I'm doing. So there are faculty from different backgrounds and different ethnic backgrounds. So people can come there and they can find somebody they can relate to, because of the variety, the diversity we have. Yes.
That's wonderful. And, I know a lot of students come in and maybe they're not at a level they want to be at. They need some remediation, and we
Yes,
have
yes.
a very strong foundational studies math. But what I think makes Brookdale interesting and in many ways unique is the faculty who are teaching our most advanced math classes here are also teaching those foundational studies classes.
Absolutely. All our faculty is committed to teach foundational math courses. So together we collaborate in developing and refining our curriculum for foundational studies. Therefore, students we maintain that continuity and expertise. So we develop course materials and assessment as curriculum committees, and we have course guidelines. So no matter who teach the course, students get the same experience. So we maintain the continuity and expertise for our students.
That's really wonderful. And you have adult students now who are returning. What can they expect as far as support? Because there's folks do get a little nervous coming back.
And they can get the same support and the encouragement. We really support diversity and inclusion in our classrooms. So it doesn't matter whether they are, just directly from the high school, or maybe they come a few years later, or they are a little older. They get the same support from our department.
Oh, that's wonderful. I'm sure a lot of folks out there are going to be very happy to hear that. Well, thank you so much for joining me today.
Yes.
A lot of great information about our wonderful math department here at Brookdale Community College.
Thank you.
Thank you.